Hello friends, welcome back to the cabin, and today I'm going to share with you my foolproof way to rid fire ants from your garden without poison. When someone mentions fire ants in the South, your mind automatically goes to those fire-breathing little demonic creatures that can sting and sting with a vengeance. If you've ever been stung by fire ants, and it's always plural, very seldom do you get one sting, it's usually multiple, then you know the pain that I'm talking about. Not only are they painful to us, they are very dangerous, especially to small children. Farmers lose money on them. Livestock producers lose livestock because of fire ants, especially young livestock. So when I'm out planting and working in my garden, that's something that is always in the back of my mind that I'm going to have to fight here in the South, but I've got an answer, and I'm going to share it with you now. I have a really large pot of peppermint that is probably 2, maybe 3 years old, and I've actually just had it been sitting on the ground, and it quickly became infested with fire ants. You can see here just how horribly invasive they are in this pot. This pot is infested, and you can't touch the pot or move the pot without disturbing them and them just covering the plant. So my solution to those ants is Medina orange oil. I've used this for several years. It has always been successful. I've never had a failure using this anywhere that I've tried to use it. So what you're going to do is you're going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of the orange oil to a gallon of water. Now I would lean towards the 3 tablespoons if it's a bad infestation. And you're going to pour it at the base of the plant. You want to be sure to get down to the queen, because if you don't eliminate the queen, you're not going to eliminate the mound. She's going to rebound and rebirth, and she's going to build her mound back again. So we have to get the queen. Now, how the orange oil works is it will burn the exoskeleton of the ants. The orange oil is caustic to them, and they can't tolerate it, and they're going to run and they're going to die. 24 hours later, no sign of ants anywhere. I have since moved that pot to a better place, got it up on bricks, and it is thriving happily. Now, I did notice, because I had it so strong, that there might have been just a few burn spots on some of the leaves. So I did go even more than the 3 tablespoons because I was angry at the ants. So I did a very strong solution. But the solution formula that I gave you, I've had no problems affecting the plants whatsoever. I'm a firm believer that God has given the answers to all the problems that we face on a daily basis, even as something as trivial as trying to rid those pesky fire ants from our garden. Thus, a solution, a natural solution that comes from something that God created, which is oranges. And it's effective, and it's safe around our children and our food supply. If you found value in this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And also, if you're not a subscriber, we invite you to subscribe. But I want to leave you with these beautiful words. Don't ever forget that your Heavenly Father loves you. And we'll see you on the next video. God bless.